likes it.
We need another piece of wood, though, Greggy.
Yeah. We're not completely finished.
This is the handiwork of John and Greggy.
Almost.
This is great because I love it that this will always be a piece of you right here in my house. True. Love that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Lindsay!
Yo, buddy, how you doing?
Yeah, that's typical.
You're a good man.
No, it's not.
Head over to my house. We'll be waiting for you. All right, thanks, buddy. All right, stop. He's on his way to his house. Pick up the jet skis. It'll be a half hour.
Okay, well, you guys can play for a half hour.
Let's go canoe.
Can you canoe?
Canoe.
Phoebe be in our new canoe canal.
Should we just test it out or what?
Of course.
Was
Megan
Megan
coming?
coming?
Oh, was she going to get in there with you guys?
Well,
She
yeah.
went to get,
Go get us a hat. We need a chef.
Okay, well, hang on. Let me hit.
I think it is so cool to have a boat dock.
I think it's so cool that you think it's so cool.
Look how convenient it's getting
I wonder why the house is so expensive.
There's the doggy. There's the doggy. Sammy! Samwise! Hey, buddy. What you looking for? Huh? Hi. What'd you say about me?
What?
Talking about. Good. Lindsay, we were watching hilarious videos of you earlier today. Oh my gosh, riding a horse and what else was she doing, John?
Just being funny. She couldn't help herself. She's just a natural.
You were riding on a propane gas tank.
Wait, you were hoping that you asked him? Something is here.
Well, take it out.
No, you could have herpes on it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, for heaven's sake, it could have herpes on
It's a
it.
piece of plastic. We'll pick up the trash later.
You left all your little wood chunks in the
What?
lake.
Yeah, and? They probably didn't think that was any big deal.
You shouldn't have your wood chunks in the lake.
Yeah. It could really be bad for the environment. We'll take care of it tomorrow.
You liar.
You just keep checking in. I promise you'll see it. I'm going to
Checking
step
what?
into the lavatory.
Checking what?
Where's your lavatory?
Hey, there's a mushroom.
Look, Dad's stepping into the lavatory. Shall I record him? Ah, John, I got the video on you.
Well, turn it the other way.
We know what you're doing. Sam's gonna think that it's another dog. Sam's now gonna pee there all the time.
I'm peeing on the tree for him. I don't want him to be lonely.
Tick on me.
Lonely?
Are you lonely
Ow.
tonight? You want to go jet skiing?
I go in there all the time. 'Cause I don't want
Yes, you do. What do you mean?
I gotta go find my dermatologist number to call to get
What?
some medicine.
Okay, we're all going. He's on
Face.
over here with the jet skis in 30 minutes.
All right, we can handle
What's wrong
it.
with your face? I think it's a pretty face.
It's like an acne forest.
I don't see any acne on your
see any.
face.
Oh, it's because I put makeup on this morning.
Oh.
I have to
You'll outgrow it. I
smell
did. I always get one pimple at a time.
Yeah, why do you two have perfect complexions and I got the nastiness? Meg
Well,
doesn't
it
have
skips a
Jeremy
generation.
didn't have it. It's just me.
Uncle Bernie had a hard time with acne.
I'm not Uncle Bernie's daughter.
Well, that's true. Unless there's something your mother wants to tell me.
I don't think that Mom would even get close to Uncle Bernie,
No, she wouldn't.
much less let him father her daughter.
This is true.
You got it.
Besides, you're too much like me. I can't deny you.
And what's your response to that one?
Come along, Maggie Doodle.
Gotta go get breadsticks.
Breadsticks?
Breadsticks?
Ah, I knew you can do anything. There's your baby's mama. Maggie, you going with us canoeing, right?
Yeah.
Do the
Did I
big.
put trunks on?
How to do the beta.
That doesn't matter.
How to beat a dita. Look what I found when I cleaned. Did you notice your closet, by the way?
Uh-huh.
Did you happen to look at anything in there? Your entire bathroom was scoured
Yeah,
everywhere.
Maggie, I cannot believe you are home and it's Tuesday.
I know, I
So
love it.
thrilled.
She walked into my closet and I was
Going
like,
jet skiing,
ah!
In about an hour. We'll be
I'm
just
so glad you're home. We're going to have so much fun at your home.
I'm the party, right?
Of course.
Kelly, come home too?
Well, duh. John, that was a silly thing to say. Okay, I'm pausing.
Yeah.
The old
Well, hey there,
canoers
woman.
coming at it.
Yep, we're going exploring. It's Lewis and Clark all over again. Lewis, Clark, and Lucille.
Get back
Ball.
here, Megan.
Think you can leave with us?
Yeah, it is. Well, would you rather straddle it? Can
Or
you
you
just
can sit on here.
The maiden voyage. The maiden voyage.
You want front or back, Reagan?
I'll take back.
Are you coming?
No, I'm gonna take the paddle boat out.
Hey, Sandra,
What?
can you untie us? We forgot to untie.
A minor problem, but we're ready. Whoa! Hi ho, hi ho. Ah, hey, hey, hey.
Who's rocking the boat?
Who is doing that, Megan?
It's not me.
Oh, wait a minute. I keep paddling the same way.
Did you remember your GPS? This is at the end of that cove that the Haines live in, and right here's a nice little gazebo. Oh, if I can get it. There it is. Whoop, wrong direction. Yeah, look at that. Might be a little expansion coming into the Haines area sometime soon. But I've got to go now and find these crazy canoers, which have left me in the dust in my paddle boat. Gonna get both of my twin engines rolling here to get out there into that big open spot. I think there might be an undiscovered lake ahead. Alright, we're entering the big lake area of the little pond out back at the Haines house. Trying to find those crazy canoers that left me. I do see some ducks over there if I can zoom in on them. This poor Sam. There you go, Sam. A little bit of the golf course. Woo! Sure hope I don't get hit by a golf ball. Nice little fairway there. Got a little fairway bunker. Somewhere I saw it. And yes, still trying to find those crazy canoers. I think they've gone off the edge somewhere. It's very hard to steer this boat and try to film and look for those canoers. Completely lost the canoers. How can that be? I've got one prop, they have two paddles, and I cannot find. Oh! Nope, false alarm. God, I'm on a race with the ducks here. And unfortunately, right now they're winning. boat's moving a lot, so the filming is a little crazy. As you can see, I'm ahead of the ducks now. I have to reach back. I am winning on the ducks, but I still haven't found those crazy canoers. Oh, I hope no one gets seasick, because everything seems to be moving much faster than I'm moving. Look at that. A lot of houses. Let's zoom back out here. Oof. Oof. A lot of houses here on this big lake at the end of the little pond. Didn't start my GPS, so I'm not sure if I can get back in time for dinner. Nice rice and chicken dinner we're gonna have tonight. My goodness, I think I see the canoers finally. Let me zoom in. That little white speck out there, I believe, is our canoers. Oh, I don't understand this crazy. That little white speck out there. Anyway, it was the canoers, and when you zoom in, it gets a little seasickness. There, you can finally see. Ducks got ahead of me again. Looks like there's a little duck crossing ahead. I guess I'm gonna have to slow this powerboat down. Where's our canoers? They're back here. That little white spot up there still. I think they're in range. Oh, this is crazy. Oh. There's no zooming in or you're gonna get seasick, so we'll have to wait till we get closer. But I think they are in our trek, and the GPS system has picked up canoers. They look like they're tired canoers, though. Sure hope I don't have to tow them in.
Howdy there, partner. Yo, yo, baby.
Finally! My GPS picked you up.
Yeah, you found it. We
I
went
did.
to the end, though.
How much further?
Drifting.
Keep teetering and tottering.
Oh, we're good.
They're dangerous.
Hey, oh my goodness.
Ah!
One overboard, one overboard. Mayday, mayday.
Yeah, you were trying real hard. It feels cold down here. You don't have to go far deep, it's chilly. Woo-wee. Hey there, Sandra.
Watch out for my prop. Don't get tangled up in it.
You what?
Hate to see you lose a leg. Don't get tangled up
no,
in
we're
my
not worried
prop.
about
Where'd Megan go? There she is. I missed it.
that. Alright, here's how we're going to do it. We're going to pull up on that boat and walk into this one. I know you can get in it. I've seen it on the movies.
This ought to be comical.
Count 3.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
Come on.
Try and... You get on.
I'm gonna hold it steady.
1, 2, 3. All right, 1, 2.
He's wore out now. There you go. Come on in. Whoa! Let me get on in. Wait a minute, Megan.
I'm all over it. I'm all over it. I got it.
You're all over it, all right.
Okay, Megan.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah, we got it under control. We are good. No, no, no.
Oh, you got lots of water in that canoe.
We might have a problem. Okay, worst case scenario, we pull this back off of that one.
Uh-oh, I'm going. Woo! Going. Oh, turned around again.
Oh, now you're sinking it, bud. You're sinking it.
Megan should came in with you.
How do they do this on the movies?
Well, you're on the movies right now. Do it.
Oh my god.
Okay,
Oh, golly.
let's go over by that
Oh.
one. We'll pull the water out of it.
Alright.
What do you want?
That's
I don't even know how to get in on this one.
It's having a crisis moment.
Open that.
Open it.
Sandra.
It goes this way.
No.
Sandra, that flip flop kind of. There's nothing there.
Did that flip flop?
Oh, just flip flop.
Oh my.
Yeah. Go like this and kick your legs.
No, no, Megan, let me get in it. I'm the only one in this. Okay. No.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Okay.
Well, that's better. There's much water.
Ooh, it's a good thing the towboat came out. Watch your shins.
Well, we probably wouldn't have been so stupid.
Oh, I don't know.
It was okay.
Until you try to get in.
Well, Megan trying to get in. John and I were in. We couldn't keep it steady when she was trying to stay.
Look at her in there trying to get the water out of the boat.
No. You don't have to paddle it in like that.
Get on top of it, paddle it in. Get on top and paddle it in.
We got to get a little water out.
Yeah, you gotta get a lot of water
I
out.
don't know
Looks
how
like.
you're going to get...
Well, but every time I get a little out, it goes low again and fills up.
No, you... Here, let me paddle that in. Because that's...
You won't be able to get in it. It sinks.
Well, how did you get in?
I'm 100 pounds.
It's sinking now.
Because Dad's.
I'm not leaning on it.
He's holding on for dear life, but he's not leaning on it.
Here.
We have both paddles.
Oh, it is sinking badly.
We just got to pull the end up and let the water out over off of yours. Come here.
Yeah, that's true. Let's paddle over. Megan, you're going to have to get out. But before you get out, hold on to that seat. Don't let it float away. And we'll put all that stuff in
The
here.
handles.
Another oar.
It's really kind of hard to film and do all this.
Oh, there you are. There we go.
Let's not capsize the paddle boat, huh?
Now all we got to do
Yeah.
I've seen it in the movies. You just got to raise one
I've
end.
seen it in the movies. So here's Dad's shoe.
What's left of it. Put that crazy seat over in this one. Oh, is it heavy?
Oh yeah. I think it's filled with water.
Oh yeah.
You need to be on this side so I can help you. I can't do anything.
We noticed.
Oh my gosh.
So Megan, we got to flip it over.
No.
Wait, yeah, put it up here and then flip it over.
You need to lift it like this,
Yeah,
huh?
to me.
You think you can get it all
Yeah.
with the water under there?
Can get it.
Dad, go hang on to the other end of the rope.
I'm not.
No, I said go.
He's letting the water out there too.
I know, but you should hold it.
I just don't want to be El Capone.
Oh, you better go quick.
It's not a lot.
Hold on. What are you doing? Hold on. Don't let go of it, John. Let me have it.
All right.
Megan, let me have it.
What would you do if you were out here by your truck and took it over?
You'd have to paddle it in. You can paddle them.
Good thing you went to the canoe base.
Hey, you got the water. I told you you could do it. Just like in the movie.
Now how you gonna get in?
Thank God for crawl in the front. It's easier to crawl in the front.
Hello.
Yeah, there you go.
Here, wait, John. I'll hold the pedals. So you, okay, now.
Woo-wee. There you go. Nice little dip, huh?
Yeah, it was. Refreshing.
Yeah, I thought so.
Not hard at all. You can do cool about it.
Here, you need your paddles. Oh, what about that seat that's back there?
Well, we can keep that back there. We don't need it. No.
Oh,
All right, it's Megan and Greggy after they got it out of the water. Notice how far the bow is out of the water. Yeah, I'm going to save my shoe. Look, we have a lone survivor, a rescuer. This is a mission for safety. Rescue mission. Dive in and get it, Sandra.
no thanks.
Sandra and I are closing in after going a 17-mile trip down the river. Well, maybe not 17. It only feels like it. There's the lazy ones on the deck. Yes, it's easy to see how Lewis and Clark felt.